How to contact Foodpanda customer service. Open Foodpanda app. Click on Account in bottom. Open Help Center. Enter your message here and start chat with support. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to get response from support team. Thanks for watching.